Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Komi's Den. Today we're going to be making a quick, simple, easy recipe for green chutney. This is great to serve with appetizers and you can also use it in burgers. It just adds a little bit of a kick to your meal. So let's get started with the ingredients. You will need 1 cup of cilantro, half a cup of mint, half a cup of spring onions, and 2 to 3 pieces of green chili, 2/3 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili, half a teaspoon of pomegranate powder, and some yogurt. So let's begin. Finely chop the cilantro, chop the spring onions, and they don't have to be too small because they'll just go in the blender. Pluck the mint leaves, chop the green chilies, and add everything to the blender. For the spices, add the salt, add the red chili powder, and add the pomegranate powder. And then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and don't add too much yogurt here because it's going to make the chutney very runny. We'll just add some more at the end. Then blend it all really well, pour it out into the dish, and now we're going to add the extra yogurt. Adding the yogurt this way ensures that the chutney is still very thick and not too runny. And there you have it. You can serve it with an appetizer of your choice. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great videos.